Hey guys, Funk Roberts of funkmma.com, and today I have an awesome MMA bodyweight workout for all you fighters out there. It's all about building our cardio, building our explosiveness, and of course, building our muscular and strength endurance. So today what I'm bringing you is a 5 exercise circuit. You're doing each exercise for 50 seconds of work followed by 10 seconds rest, as fast as you can with each exercise, keeping good form, making sure the core is tight. You're moving from one exercise to the other. After you've done all 5 exercises, I want you to rest for 1 minute and then repeat for 5 full rounds. This is going to be tough. It's going to be a very tough workout. Again, we're focusing on cardio, we're focusing on fat burning, we're focusing on explosiveness, and of course muscular endurance. Anyways, I'm going to take you through the workout. I'll show you how this is done, and if you like this workout, I've got something for you on the other side. But right now, let's get it done.
Perform each exercise one after the other for 50 seconds of work, followed by 10 seconds rest. After you're done, rest 1 minute and repeat for 5 full championship rounds. Let's get it done. Okay, so the first exercise are jumping lunges. Again, we're doing this for 50 seconds. This is one of my favorite explosive movements for fighters, for sure, because it mimics a bit of the stance, but also mimics, takedowns and movements in the octagon or in the ring or wherever you are training. So here again, we want to stay explosive. We want to get in that lunge position, keep the body tall, keep the hands up, breathing throughout this movement, and trying to explode as high as you can. The next exercise are kickouts. This is jiu-jitsu based, grappling based. And again, I love this one because we've got core, we have rotation, we have shoulder stability, and we have some cardio, metabolic, because of the way we're moving. So here we're just rotating and kicking out, using that opposite hand to make sure that we're stable as we kick out. We're breathing every time we kick out as well, and we're trying to move as fast as we can. So there's some mobility work here, there's agility work here. I really love this exercise, and again, you want to move as fast as possible. Our next exercise are explosive push-ups. So now some upper body, plyometric, explosive movement. This is what's going to give you that power in the upper body to push off, to control your opponent. So making sure that you have explosive push-ups in your repertoire is key. We're doing this for 50 seconds, so you are going to get fatigued, but just do your best to get your hands off the ground. Keep it really simple, keep the elbows in, and breathe at the top of each movement. Our next exercise are ab bicycles. Again, another really cool, great exercise, rotation. So this hits the entire ab region, the entire core region, because we've got the obliques, we've got the upper and lower abs working. We're kicking the legs out, opposite elbow to opposite knee. This is another one of those exercises that's going to creep up on you. In about 20 seconds, you're really going to feel it. So you're going to have to focus. Make sure that you kick out your legs, breathe every time you rotate, and move fast. Our final exercise, you know what it is, side to side jumping burpees. Another one of those exercises that I love for fighters because this trains you to land and get back and up fast. It's all about getting back fast and up fast. This is cardio based, fat burning based, and explosive based exercise. Along with that lateral movement allows you to be agile. So move as fast as you can, make sure you breathe throughout this entire exercise and get it done.
So there you have it, an awesome MMA bodyweight workout. Again, cardio, fat burning, explosiveness, and of course muscular endurance. Something that you can do after your regular martial arts training, MMA, Muay Thai, Jiu-Jitsu, or something that you can put into your overall training program. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely like this. Share this, leave your comments below. I love your comments. I love what you guys say. And if you like these workouts, then click the link right here and download my 6 free MMA programs, all for you at funkmma.com. And if you did like that workout, click that link right there and you can see another MMA workout video for you. I'm Funk Roberts. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. Remember, train hard, fight easy, and get it.